Hey guys, let us discuss some small concepts of utility from the chapter Utility Analysis today. So let us start. First of all, we go for the meaning. So what is utility? Utility is the capacity of a commodity to satisfy human wants. That means if any commodity is in a position to satisfy anybody's want, then we may say that okay, this commodity is having utility. So simply we are putting in other words, utility is the want satisfying capacity of a commodity. I repeat, you will write this meaning for the exam. Utility is the want satisfying capacity of a commodity. Once again, utility is the want satisfying capacity of a commodity. I hope now it's clear to you. Now let us see some small concepts of utility. See, but before understanding these concepts, it is compulsory actually we should assume that we can measure that utility. Then only it will be easy for you people to understand these concepts of total utility and marginal utility. So let us assume we can measure this utility whatever we are deriving from any commodity. Let us measure that in numerical terms. Let us assume we can measure it in the numbers. Okay, so let us start with the concepts. First one, total utility, TU. Supposing now see, it's a season of mangoes. So supposing, let us say I gave you 6 mangoes. I gave 6 mangoes to you. Let us assume that. Now, if you eat all those 6 mangoes, and then whatever utility you will derive from the consumption of entire units, that means all the 6 units of mangoes, then that becomes your TU, total utility. See, simple meaning, total means total, you go on adding, it is sum total of all the things, entire stock taken together, that is called total utility, TU. Let us write in the economics words. TU refers to the aggregate of utility, that means total of utility, derived by the consumer from all the units of a commodity consumed. Supposing you consume all the units of a commodity, you consume all the mangoes, then whatever is your total utility, what is the sum total of utility, that is called TU, total utility. I repeat the meaning, please be attentive. TU refers to the aggregate of utility derived by the consumer from all the units of a commodity consumed. It is an aggregate of utilities from all successive units of a commodity consumed. That means whatever total number of unit you consume, it is aggregate of that. You consume first unit, then you consume second, third, fourth. If you keep on consuming and if you continue your consumption, then at the end of your consumption, whatever is the total utility derived, whatever is the addition of all the units, that is called as total utility or TU. I hope the concept is clear. Then second one is marginal utility. The word marginal means additional. So marginal utility means additional utility. See, what is additional? Supposing you consume 2 units, you consume 2 mangoes, and again you consume the third one, then whatever is the utility you derived from that additional unit, from that third unit, additional unit, that is called as marginal utility. Marginal means additional. From the additional consumption, whatever utility we derive, that is called as MU, marginal utility. Let us go for the meaning. MU refers to the additional utility derived by a consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. That means whenever we consume one more additional unit, then whatever is that additional utility, that is called as marginal utility. In other words, it is the addition made, that means MU is the addition made by the last unit of a commodity consumed. So that is unit, additional utility, that is called marginal utility. Total means total, marginal means additional. So that's it for today. It was a very short lecture about the concepts of utility. I have already uploaded this entire chapter in detail. Other chapters as well as the playlist of different chapters is already available on my channel. Do watch that and please support me. I hope it helps. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.